That room's fine. That's our bedroom. It's not messed up. I would like to have this shirt though. I forgot.
This is the kids' bedroom. What's left of it. Big hole to the ceiling. Okay, now we're going to go back around to the front of the house. Look at the ceiling there, guys. And the floor is just completely flooded with insulation. Still dripping. The roof is gone. That's what's left of the kitchen.
Look how it blew the blinds or the curtain up by that.
All in there. All the damage of the ceiling coming down.
Look, we've got like drawers, metal drawers from just random places. Look at this big metal shit that just came from somewhere.
Jesus.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go back
Look
outside.
at the door. Look at the door.
The door.
Big metal door.
Check out this 2x4 that
Go in here and I can show you what
2x4 that come through the wall.
Come in here. Your neighbor's house. Look.
This is their neighbor's house.
Look.
Just soggy insulation everywhere.
Look, there's a building that collapsed over onto this side. Look, it just fell on their bed. Look, the ceiling fell in through here. Wow. Look, it just blew holes into the wall from shit. From stuff, I'm sorry. Sorry, kids.
So this is the neighbors. Now we're going to take a walk outside. Whoops. Wrong way. Let y'all see what's left of the neighborhood.
Look. Yeah, you gotta get that on there.
We beat the tornado, mofo. This is just part of it, guys.
Our nothingness.
And then this, going down that road there where that car's passing, is where all the houses are just completely gone.
Look, there's just a random, like, beam.
Yep, come from
beam.
somewhere.
Yeah. Look, someone's grill's over there on the ground.
This is just totally crazy.
Yeah. Isn't it?
Well, there you go, guys. This is kind of what it looks like out here.
Terrible, guys.